architectural designer, art, nature, architecture. The art of composition, balancing figures and space. When it comes to composition, there's one golden rule. Keep it in mind. Today, we're delving into the intricate world of layout, and trust me, it's more than just arranging shapes on a canvas. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is a figure? Well, a figure is that key element you strategically place on a page, canvas, or any other background. But wait, there's more to this artistic equation. Have you ever heard of ground? It's not just a fancy word, it's the encompassing space that the figure occupies. Now, here's the interesting part. A figure isn't just a mere shape, it's the star of the show, the object that catches your eye. It's also known as the object, form element, or positive shape. On the other hand, the zoom-in is like a chameleon. It changes its name according to its role. Sometimes it's the white space, leftover space, or even blank canvas. Hold on tight, because here comes the critical part, the figures and ground relationship. Think of it as a puzzle that needs solving. When you place a figure, you've got to consider the ground too. They're like a dynamic duo in the world of composition. Now, pay close attention, as things get a bit intricate here. After placing the figure, if the ground remains undefined, we call it negative space. But when the ground has its own shape, we call it the positive space. Check this out. We've got 4 figures doing their thing, and voila, they're crafting negative space, like little shapeshifters. But hold up, they're switching things up. These same figures have now formed a positive space, making a snazzy triangle. And just when you thought we couldn't get more creative, they're like, hey, let's spell out an A with our shapes. These figures are the real artists here. So, as you venture into the world of figures and ground, remember, it's like a dance of creativity on your canvas. Keep exploring and keep the harmony alive. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of artistic composition.